What's going on, guys? Back with another video. It's been a while since I've posted, but I don't really care about that. I'm just gonna get right back into the swing of things. The last video, I cooked a ribeye over a fire. This time I'm gonna be cooking a thick New York strip steak over a fire. We're gonna head to this local lake. It's kind of big, not really too big. And I got a surprise. I'm gonna bring one of my dogs that I've had for a while and a puppy that I just got. So I'm gonna get them out, let them run around, let them do their thing, let them burn some energy off. Yeah, so stay tuned, and we're gonna go ahead and get everything loaded up in the truck, and we're gonna head out, and I'll see you guys at the lake. Okay, guys, I want to kind of show you the little things that I got here. I got some quite a bit of things that I got. Yeah, looking forward to using this thing. I'm an alien. This disco. We use this over the holidays. This is the thing that I used in our last video. I think I'm gonna grab that. I got Candy, which is my older dog here, and the new guy. The new guy. He's I say he's about 4 or 5 months. 4 months maybe. This one's Candy. She's a big old pig. Go ahead and sit. But this guy is the new guy. This is Candy. This one's the new guy. He's kind of a little scared. But we're gonna take him out, and we're gonna take her out with us to the lake. I'm gonna get this loaded up, and we'll get all that stuff loaded up, get them loaded up. I'm gonna make sure I have a lighter, so that way I can at least start a fire. And yeah, and just stay tuned. Getting everything loaded in the truck. Just want to let you guys know, this is the steak. It's pretty thick. I'll get it out when we get there. All right. We got shovel for wood, a shovel for wood, an axe for wood, a shovel for a hole in case of cover fire, lighter fluid. Think about sticking my steak up in this thing, flipping it up on here, but might as well stick that in the fire. This thing I used in the last video. Gonna get the dogs hooked up. We'll see you at the lake. Come on, go. Come on. I have to get this fat load off. This little one first. Come on, quit being scared. Come on, you can do it. I got you. There you go. Jet a little bit. Well, this is pretty much what I'm gonna set up at. Candy, let this little guy here. We want to go in the water. Ready? Get her. Yeah, I doubt she's gonna go in there. It's pretty cold. It's the weekend after Thanksgiving, so kind of give you an idea how cold it is out here. I lost that tennis ball. We had everything set up. It seemed like somebody had already set up a fire pit here, but my audio may be a little off. I'm working on it. I ordered a mic today. Get the steak ready, start a fire, take you guys on the little adventure. Take these guys with us, pull the axe out, go find some wood, and yeah, stay tuned. Go ahead and throw her training collar on her, because if I don't, I ain't about to get her back. She ain't gonna come back. Find some wood. Probably gonna look for like a more deader tree and cut limbs off of that. Something like this would be dry enough, but we'll go ahead and throw that over there. Looks like people have been here before. Yes. Ugh, really dry. This one. Spiders. Oh, this probably stuff will probably burn pretty easy, but we're having a blast. It'd be cool if dogs had an extra hands. If they had hands, give me an extra hand carrying this stuff. This might be a problem, guys. It's just for one steak. Which I think that should be enough. That I got it ready. The top broke off before the bottom was able to break. I'm out of shape. Yeah, I did. I don't really want to build too big of one. Hey. Go ahead and get this going. It's just one steak. I didn't bring anything for them. Here's the thing. I know you want to go, but let's go. Come on. You weren't here for 5 minutes. Let's go. This is the issue. This is all rock. My grill is supposed to go into the dirt. How am I supposed to stick it into some rock? I'm gonna have to figure something out to get this going, because I don't know how I'm gonna stick it in there in the rock. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna get it home and get it set up. This is supposed to stick in the ground, and this is supposed to slide up and down. But figure it out. I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up. I'm gonna get it set up and see if we get it going. A little bit of struggle to get that in a rock, but we'll go ahead and light it up. Got some leftover lighter fluid. I don't know. Might be gas. Okay. Right there is where the rock's at. I'm trying to get this pole in. You see me hammering on the tie lamps. I kind of had to make a leg support it. Got my kindling and some logs. We'll add more to it as we need. Let's put some on there. You guys might want to watch out. This does. I don't know, it might not be lighter. Let them learn. You're gonna learn. There it goes. There it goes. Probably should have a lot more smaller ones too. But we're gonna get that going. I think this is gonna be fine. If it'll catch. Try to cook. The plan is I'm gonna try to cook. Oh, damn. Get this dog out of the trash. Hey! Come on, let's go. Pretty sure that this blew over. I think my next one's gonna be a tomahawk. Okay. After that one, I might start my yard for them. You know, gravel, rocks, doghouse. You know, enjoy the time lapse. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Okay, this is the thing. We got forks, we got a spoon, we got a plate, we got a knife, and I forgot tongs to flip this goddamn steak. So, I came up with a great idea. Listen, it's be for fish. You know, plop your fish in there, you flip it on the fire. But this is what I'm going to be putting my steak in to flip it. I think it's pretty genius. But we're going to get that steak on, get it going, get hungry. Dogs are getting hungry. I'll give them a little taste. I'm not going to give them the whole thing. Probably put that on there a little better. Close this guy up. Man. This is a flipper. Pretty sure we probably could have stuck it in there, I bet. But I'm going to leave it right here. Probably adjust this down a little bit. Get it going. I got this thing cooking for about 10-15 minutes. Actually came over here and grabbed this thing, and this part right here had like a little bit of metal in it. Was freaking hot because I had it over here and it burnt my hand. But this, look at that. Easy steak to cook. Easy. I think we're gonna call that done. I'm gonna grab the bowl. That off. And there we go. It is good to go. Okay guys, check this out. The dogs are gonna go crazy when they see this, or they smell it. Watch. Ooh. Okay. Like I said, got a fork, forgot knives, forgot utensils, forgot all that, but we got the good old trusty buck knife. Oh, you're just being a good girl, huh? I had to taste it before they taste it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You guys gotta do rock, paper, scissors. She's OG. She needs to go first. What do you think? What do you think? Huh? You want more? What do you think? You know what? Get back. Get back. Oh, damn, bro. No. No! Get back. Don't make me put the gate up. That's why she's got another one, because she's being girl. You're being bad. No. See, check this out. No. Good boy. Good boy. Chew it. Hot down. Anyway. Okay. Wow. I might put them in the back. You stay quiet? You gonna be quiet? Huh? No? You better be quiet. Anyways, it's pretty good. Not too bad. The Kinder seasoning sauce that you see in the beginning, that's what I use for this. I let it sit room temperature for about 2 hours. Seasoned it, brought it out here, cooked it over the fire. But I tell you what, the natural wood burning over fire does it. It adds so much flavor to a steak. If you're gonna cook a steak, I recommend you cooking it over a wood, the right wood. Don't use any particle board or anything like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I got more of these coming. Not New York strip, but maybe next time tomahawk. And then we're gonna go ahead and start videos on these guys. I don't understand, but yeah. If you guys wanna like, subscribe, share, we gotta get this channel rolling. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it big. You have any comments, any suggestions, any advice, anything? I ain't a hater. Just go ahead and leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. You know, there's more videos coming. Like I said, I didn't post for a while. If the audio's bad, I'm sorry. I apologize for it. Like I said, I ordered a mic today. Should be here Tuesday. It's the weekend after Thanksgiving. So, we're also going to depend on the weather, what we're going to be doing outside. Bad weather, probably be doing something else a little different. I'm trying to get these videos rolling out as fast as I can. Yeah, look, he's already sleeping. Okay, anyways guys, until then, peace.